Hola! In this lesson, we're going to learn the verbs ser y estar. Verbos ser y estar. In English, when we want to talk about who I am or where I am, we use the verb to be. But in Spanish, we have two different verbs, ser and estar. We have to choose them carefully depending on what we want to say. A tip that might be helpful is that ser means a permanent condition and estar means a temporary condition. Let's see how to conjugate those verbs and how can we use each one of them. First, verbo ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. We use el verbo ser to express identity. Soy Yago, I'm Yago, and remember that in Spanish there's no need to put the personal pronoun yo, I before. We just can say soy Yago. We can also express origin or nationality. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de España. I'm from Spain. Or soy español. I'm a Spaniard. To talk about religion, social status, or profession. Soy católico. I'm a Catholic. Soy rico. I'm rich. Él es profesor. He's a teacher. We can also use el verbo ser to talk or to describe physical description of people, objects, or places. María es delgada. María is thin. La guitarra es negra. The guitar is black. La calle es larga. The street is long. Description of personality. Pedro es tranquilo. Pedro is quiet. Time. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Son las 8 de la mañana. It is 8 a.m. Seasons. Es otoño. It is autumn. Quantity. Es poco. It is not much. Es mucho. It is a lot. Prices. Son 200 euros. It cost 200 euros. Material something is made of. El pendiente es de plata. The earring is made of silver. Possession. Estos libros son míos. These books are mine. Location of events. La boda es en Madrid. The wedding is in Madrid. And finally, consigne and purpose. Este regalo es para ti. This present is for you.